Well, welcome to the first, the warmest day so far this year, 69 degrees. And we expected this to be the warmest day so far, but I tell you what, we are in the windy season, folks. Your planner looks like this. We'll start off with a good shot on the day. As we get to mid-afternoon, that's when the winds kick up. You see them out of the west out of 23, 28 miles an hour with warm winds. We'll be gusting 30 to 45 to 46 miles an hour from Santa Fe, Rio Rancho on into Albuquerque. But stronger winds from another system works in on Friday. Now, this will be the strongest spring wind event we've had so far this year, and it's coming at a time when you're getting off of work and starting your Friday night. So there could be areas of blowing dust. Santa Fe, Rio Rancho, Albuquerque, as those winds gust 50, 55, maybe close to 60 miles an hour. Hence the big red alert for potentially dangerous winds. Now, walking you through it, tomorrow we're going to have those warm winds, limited showers, temperatures quite warm, 70s and 80s throughout southern parts of the state. Then we told you as the day progresses here on Friday, those winds are going to be strong. There could be some potential wind damage, especially along the eastern slopes, moving into eastern parts of New Mexico. Limited showers, some snow across the blowing snow across the higher peaks. We get into Saturday. That's when we have breezy and cooler conditions. Spring forward on Sunday, it looks to be a better day, but moderately windy, like 15 to 25 mile per hour winds. And then the winds won't be as strong Monday on into Tuesday, but more moisture is expected. So we're putting impact weather for you there, meaning it could interrupt your outdoor activities. But boy, we'll take the rain, we'll take the mountain snow, even some rain-snow mixes depending on the time of day by Tuesday and Wednesday around here over the wind. Because I tell you what, we had a beautiful day today. Tomorrow we get, we get past the mid-afternoon, it won't be all that bad, but you know how it is when we get into the spring winds and the dust starts to blow.
I know.
And happening on a Friday evening when people want to go out, they're going to probably be rushing from their building in their car, but when they're in their car, they got to be careful.
It was hard to come to work today. 70.
So
I mean,
nice.
it felt like 75.
You were lulled into that thing, weren't you?
And my mom said it was 20 something in New York.
They're ready.
I felt so bad for them.
They're ready for a visit.
Thanks, Joe.